Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this moment, I would like to tell you about my paper. This is using system information archive for effective retrieval of documents. I want to introduce myself. I am Edwiti Miskiani, and my partner are Lisa Amandea and Amalia. Introduction. Archive management requires a proper storage system. Archive are recording of activities or events in various forms and media by the development of information and communication technology made and accepted by state institutions, regional governments, educational institutions, companies, political organizations, community organizations, and individuals in the implementation of social, national, and international life and state. This statement from Indonesian law number 43 in the year 2009. And then archive in PT Perkebunan Nusantara 10 are stored in the plan as section of the head office using a subject and area classification system. But based on Mr. Sudi Darmoko, he is staff in PT Perkebunan Nusantara. The subject classification system, the system has shortcomings because errors are still often found in storage. And then system information archive would provide guidance for a user to borrow archives or document at the plan section of PT Perkebunan Nusantara head office. And the concept of borrowing archive procedure. The first, who is authorized to give a loan permit, and the second, who is allowed to borrow archive, and then determination of the loan period, and the fourth, procedure for borrowing archive, and the last, all file borrowings must be recorded on the archive borrowing sheet. The methodology in my paper, the researcher method is the descriptive qualitative research method. The qualitative descriptive method is carried out by outlining the fact of a situation at the research location. And data collection technique used are interviews, observation, and literature studies. Finding and discussion. The result of observation indicate that there is ineffectiveness in borrowing archive. This ineffectiveness occurs because there is no archive borrowing procedure or standard operational procedure, especially the recording of archive or record of appropriate archive. Based on Sedermayanti's theories in Veronica 2020, which is applied by the plan part, still encounter some shortcomings. The definitions referred to are as follows. The first, who is authorized to give a loan permit? It has been applied by the archivist who authorized the borrowing of the archive. And the second, who is allowed the borrow archive? The activity permit borrowing the archive of an archivist and being ahead of related field of fire. And the third, determination of the load period. This activity has not been carried out because there is no time limit for borrowing each archive. And the fourth, procedure for borrowing archive are still not formed. And the last, all archival storage must be recorded. The integration of this activity is still not good because the recording still doesn't use digital. And then the picture describe about the procedure borrowing archive in PT Perkebunan Nusantara 10. There are two columns. The first, borrower, and then archivist. And the first we can call start, and then borrower notifying the file to be borrowed, and archivist searching physical archive and then writing in the back of the archive and then submit the archive, and then go to back to borrower. He is received the archive that to be borrowed and then finish. And this picture describe about the new procedure borrowing archive in Perkebunan Nusantara 10. The borrower archivist. There are 3 columns. The first borrower, archivist, and system. The first we can call start, and borrower applying for the loan of archive, and then go to archivist, accept filling loan of archivist, archive, and then searching physical archive, and then input physical archive in the archive borrowing database, and then archivist ensure the completeness of borrowing archive on the database, and then archivist save and print the archive borrowing form, and the last archivist proof of borrowing archive, and then go to system. After archivist proof of borrowing archive, borrower take the archive borrowing form, and then borrower saving archive, and the last finish. Conclusion. From the formulation of the problem, interview, and observation in PT Perkebunan Nusantara that have been met on the plan section, the head, and then conclusion from the formulation of the problem, interview, and observation that have been met on the plan section, and that head office PT Perkebunan Nusantara 10 has not implemented the procedure for borrowing archive according to standard operational procedure. Borrowing archive is still done manually, which is done by writing scribbling on the back of the archive so that the archive is not clean. And several suggestions can be used for future improvement, namely when archiving short record in the incoming archive file and apply archive borrowing according to the archive borrowing procedure to find out the history of borrowing archive. And then alhamdulillah, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.